In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a chart to its default settings in TradingView. This can really come in handy if you've been making several modifications or testing out different styles and feel the need to start over. So, let's dive in and go through the steps together to get you back to the default layout seamlessly. First things first, you'll want to open up TradingView in your browser. TradingView is a robust platform used for analyzing various financial markets, from Forex to commodities and everything in between. It's essential to get familiar with how to navigate it effectively. Once you've logged into your TradingView account, you will find yourself on your main dashboard where all your charting action takes place. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a settings icon. It usually appears as a small gear and may be located next to other charting tools. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is your gateway to customizing various features of your chart. It's where all the magic happens, from changing themes to adjusting scale and background. However, today we're focused on returning everything to its default state. After clicking the settings icon, a menu with several options will appear. Among these, one option will be labeled Template. This is the specific area we need to focus on for resetting your chart. Clicking on Template will give you access to the templates you might have previously saved, but more importantly, it contains the option to apply the default settings once again. The final step, and the one we've been building up to, is selecting Apply Default. You might find this under a drop-down or as a button to hit directly in the template section. By choosing Apply Default, you are effectively wiping the slate clean on your current chart, discarding any changes or customizations you previously made, and returning to the standard outlook that TradingView originally applied. This can be a simple but powerful way to get a fresh start. There you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've returned your chart to its default state. Remember, this will remove any added indicators, layouts, or color schemes you've set up. But don't worry, the platform is incredibly intuitive, so you can always readjust and create new templates anytime. Having a clean default chart is often the best way to see things from a fresh perspective or as a clean canvas for new analyses. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore other settings and make use of TradingView's extensive guide resources to enhance your trading and analytical experience. If you have any questions or need further clarification, just drop your comments below. Happy charting!